Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? It is Saturday morning and you know what time it is. That means it is time for a shout out video. So I was a little bit late this morning. I want to go ahead and throw one big shout out. I'm still going to do my 5 for the channel. But Danny at AZ Themes, guys, he is awesome. I've been working with him on my blog and just kind of emailing him, okay, this is what I want to do. And by the way, can you throw in some YouTube artwork for me? And so he's totally awesome. Danny AZ Themes, I will try to find his link and include it down below for you guys. He is at Etsy, ETSY.com. If you guys haven't heard of Etsy, wonderful place for a lot of different stuff, digital art and blog backgrounds and themes as well. So here we go. Anyway, we do have Julie G. She does some home and beauty and unboxing with a lot of raffles and giveaways. And in case you guys want to know, the way that I have been choosing my people to do shout out videos, the ones that do show up first when I upload the videos. I know I do them random times, trying to be a little bit more consistent with that. And but definitely Saturday mornings, Friday, usually Friday mornings. I may try to do it Thursday night and tell it to upload Friday morning. And then also may do my Saturday videos a little bit that way too. It seemed like Friday night was a really good time to do that. So I may change the Friday follow me a little bit later in the day to schedule to roll out. Seems like you guys are on a lot later in the day than I am. And so let's see. We do also have the Watson Bunch. They've been showing up. That's another way, not just the one and done thing. That's kind of like the sub for sub is in my eyes. But if you keep coming back and keep showing up, then I also come back to you guys as well and post and comment on your videos too. Sorry, my allergies are still whacked out. I think right now there's a lot of stuff blooming. Saw some pollen on my car today and yesterday, first time in a while. And then Watson Bunch, they're fun family. They do some fun challenges against each other, seeing who's best at what. And then Miss K Teen Talks, she also has some artwork that she does and some really great videos, really great channel there. I'll give her some love there. And then I also, sorry, my Gmail that I had my notes on wasn't cooperating with me. So I've been trying to do that too, is have it available in my notes. Jenny T. So Jenny T does artwork as well. So kind of an artsy theme today, I reckon. And on that note too, if you guys haven't noticed that like when you exercise a lot or get into that zone, and yeah, I actually have been getting out walking every morning about 30-40 minutes. I noticed that does help to clear the mind and get the creativeness juices or the creative juices flowing. So that's a good thing. Try to do it a little bit early enough before your family gets up and moving, motivated, doing stuff. I know I try to do it before my husband wakes up and gets coffee going in him. Because then, it's game time for other stuff around the house and whatnot, which is a good thing too. So anyway, those are my 5 shout outs. But yeah, don't just pop on here one and done asking for a shout out. That's not going to get you anywhere. And then if you just keep coming back, showing some love, I do the same for you guys. I know how hard it is to actually grow a YouTube channel since I've been doing it now too. And I can't wait to see what Danny is designing for me. So we'll get the blog up and running soon, so I was able to finally verbalize to him what I wanted. Had to actually go through a lot, trying out a few different things to see what I actually wanted to do. So we'll get Theunpopularmom.com rolling hopefully in the next week or maybe a little bit longer than that. We'll have to see because I want it looking good when I put it out there. And then there's already another one in the works that I kind of came up with, but Popular Mom, I just kind of wanted that one to go out first and to see kind of like my fails and whatnot, tribulations, how that goes with it. YouTube kind of just started with me doing a not really a challenge, but I wanted to show my son that it could be done. Whatever you put your mind to, you work hard at, it can actually be put out there in a positive spin. And because everybody, not everybody, but people were telling me, oh, there's already so much saturated in the YouTube world. There is. But you can stand out and make it your own and at least put it out there for a place for your creative juices to flow. Well, that sounded weird AF. But I'm going to leave it in there because A, we know my editing skills are horrible. And B, while it sounded very strange coming out naturally like that, it's just a way to put your creative self out there. I guess I should say a little bit better. So anyway, that embarrassing note there. That's what happens when I have no filter and it just runs. That's why I am the unpopular mom most of the time. People always ask why I called the channel that, but that's what it is. It's just what I thought of at that moment. So anyway, you guys be kind to each other this weekend. Be nice to someone. You never know what they're going through, and just a smile and a nice, hey, how you doing? Put a positive spin on their weekend and their day. So you guys have a great one. Take care. Be safe. See ya.